Guys, it's Better Sickness here, and I thought I would use the FAO with select fire something and something. Alright, teammate took go, but yeah, I thought I'd give you a FAL thing gameplay and see how you guys like it. Yeah, I know it's Black Ops 2 Advanced Warfare quit on me, and I'm really mad at that. Hang on. There. And I gave you guys the score, so if you guys want to see that or whatnot. So, I went down to California this weekend. It's been cold outside, so I've been down in a blanket hibernating. That's why I haven't made a video recently. But here you guys go. Let's see. I was trying to see like what the difference was with this select fire. So if you guys know what it is, tell me, because I want to know. Like, because I'm like bothered by the blank that I don't know. I was trying to turn on that kid, but I couldn't get it. So yeah. If I sound weird, it's because I'm like coughing a lot because of allergies. Well, look, I was on multi-team too, so I ended up getting 47 and something. And I think our team is in second right now, but we end up getting first. Oops. Yeah, see, we're in second, but we end up getting first, which I think is cool. And I can't wait because I think I might be getting a screen recorder here pretty soon. So whenever I get that, we will be rolling. You know what I mean? But I might do I can't do a live stream because I need to get a laptop or buy a computer, put it in my room, because and then buy a microphone and stuff for it, you know. So until then, I'll be doing it on my iPhone 5S. So I say my teammate's butt right there. I think we'll in second until like the very end. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we're in second until like the end. And I didn't know that kid was coming too. I just turned around and knifed, because usually whenever I turn around they knife me. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna turn around and knife, and there he was. Shotgun. Dude, that made me really mad. But look, we're already kind of catching up. Oh, well. Yeah, I keep on getting killed at shotgun. But at the end, it kind of makes up for it. I get a Hellstorm missile and stuff. But tell me what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see domination? Do you guys want to see team deathmatch? Just me chilling with you guys? Kill confirm. I would do Advanced Warfare, but I don't. Like, I can't play it because, yeah, I told you it doesn't work no more. Because it just, I don't know, just quit on me. I was playing, and then it crashed my whole system. And then so I turned off my system, took it out and stuff, put it back in. I joined into a lobby. 30 seconds later, it crashed my whole system again. So I'm just gonna get a new copy because there's a lot of scratches on it. So I think that might be why. But it had a lot of scratches to come with, so hopefully they'll give me a new one. If not, I'll just buy one, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're in second still though. Because Big Bruce was going in with this thing until right here. I thought he left or something right here because, like, I haven't, like, because he gets that kill. I shoot him a couple more times. Get shotgunned. But look, we're down 11 points right now. See? We're in second. We're down 11 points. And we come back by my streak when I go on. My teammate, I had to give him credit. He saves my butt, but he still gets me. So, I hope you like this. I might do a live one after this video is done uploading. Might. I don't know, because I am pretty tired, because I only got like 5 hours of sleep this week, so I might go get some sleep tonight, and then give it to you guys tomorrow, or something. I don't know. Whenever it comes out, it'll come out. Hopefully tomorrow. Oh, we were tied for last there for a second. It's amazing that my teammates sucked that bad, though. Because I got 47 kills, and they got 11. If I wasn't here, 11 and 12, if I wasn't here, they were going to get dominated. There's this kid who got 11 and 27 on our team. Yeah, we're still down by 11. But we come back and win somehow. There's only 3 minutes and 40 seconds left in this. Yeah, see, there we are, 41-49. I get these two, which gets us a 53 to 50. I use another UAV. And then I would kind of wait for that. I was going to check out stuff, and there it was. I'm like, ooh. So I went, there's that. We're still not down by 11 no more. I got my Hellstorm missile. I wasn't going to use it until I got inside. Whenever I got inside, that happened. I'm like, oh, well. So I just used it right here. And, you know, got 2 kills out of that. 49-56. We're still in second. Yeah, we're still in second. I got 34-17. My teammates got 10 and 21 and 4 and 2. 53, 58, 55, 58. This is where we're about to take off. Here we go. We're about to take off right here, I'm pretty sure. Because I jumped down and assassinated some people. I don't know if it's on this one. Nah, it's not on this one, because I went into the building. Look how we kind of drop and score again. They got 63, we got 58. Watch this. Assassination. I think this is where I'm going to jump out. Yeah, watch. Oh. No, that's where I got dominated. I thought that was, okay, there's 61-65. He got my kill. He kills both to get him 67. Now 67-63. We're catching up. And I got dominated. And it's 68-63. We're taking a beating. Alright, there we go. 64 almost 70. And we're at 70. Wait, where are we at? We're at 68, 69, 70. Triple kill right there. Ties it up. 1. Miss. Dude, I got that. 72, 70. I get dominated right there, unfortunately. But 72, 72. We have to get a move. So I use my UAV. Hopefully they won't die. I was hoping. I got that to the truck somehow. 1 kill left. I see a sneaky 2 trying to sneak across. Got the final kill. We come back for the win. There you go. First 2. Sorry whoever's on that team, but you guys suck. Because you guys couldn't come back on us. We came back on them. Why couldn't you? But yeah, there you go, guys. Well, I will show you guys the class I was using later, and Butter Sickness is out.